Hello everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into Microsoft PL-100 exam, also known as the Microsoft Power Platform App Maker Associate exam. Fantastic certification for those looking to validate their skill in creating business solutions, automating tasks, and streamlining processes. So, whether you are a business professional, a budding developer, or just someone looking to enhance your skill, you are in the right place to get started. The PL-100 exam is designed for individuals who envision and create business solutions to simplify and automate the task. These are the problem solvers of the business world who understand the data they are working with, identify issues that need resolution, and know how to create effective app experiences. You don't necessarily need formal IT training to take this exam, but you should be comfortable using technology to solve business problems. This exam is perfect for self directed learners who are ready to dive into Microsoft's Power Platform, Microsoft App Maker. So here you can see this is PL-100 Microsoft Power Platform App Maker exam. If you are a college student, even if you're a college student, even if you are aspiring to become a app developer, so you can definitely take up this exam. So the minimum passing score is 700 and it's out of 1000. Okay, and you can see there is a PL exam preparation video, study guide, and you can see a sample exam how that's it will be. And in order to write this exam, you have to pay the amount, like it is nearly $1,065 USD. So you can change here if you are from India and if you are trying to see what is the Indian rate here. So you can see here it is 4,800. You can schedule the exam by clicking here. So how to schedule the exam, that I have already uploaded in my Gomes Tech Talks channel in the skill up playlist. Please go and watch that first. So what are the skills measured? This is very important, and Microsoft has given an excellent self-paced learning material. So this is what you can start describing the business value of the Microsoft Power Platform. So here, this is one module where this one module consists of 12 units. Okay, so you can see here that it has 12 units to complete. So once if you right click here and you can start right directly from here. Once if you click, you can see in this 12 unit, in order to complete this 12 unit, you will take nearly 53 minutes. You need at least 53 minutes to complete this, and these are all the learning objectives. And these are the individual units that you will be learning, and what is the expected time to complete this. Okay, so all these things are given here. So likewise, you have nearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you click here show more, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Nearly 24 modules are there, and in every module, okay, you will have units. Okay, the units will vary. So in the last module you have only six, sorry, in the last unit you have only six module, whereas in the like in the previous one you have 8 units, 6 units, and 7 units likewise. Okay, and if you just scroll down, you can see you can validate your app maker skill by selecting this. There will be live practical demonstration, like how you can open app, power app, and everything. Okay, so you can simply click here if you wanted to see. In most of the module you will be having practical exercises. For example, if you click here how to build UI canvas, okay, create a canvas app with a power app. So once if you click here, you can see that there are various modules are available, and you can also see that there will be an exercise here. Okay, exercise, exercise, exercise. So once if you right click on any of the exercise, you can see that how like you can work on that particular exercise here. Okay, just go here and you can see that what does that exercise is all about, and you can start trying by yourself, and there will be a summary knowledge check by the end of all the modules. Okay, you can also check that. So this is how this Microsoft PL-100 exams is the exam is structured. So Power Platform, that is Power App, is a low code application. Okay, you don't need to write much application. I hope if you are aware of Android OS creation and Android app creation, so what it will happen is what you have to write large number of codes to bring in any specific functionality. But in Power Apps you don't need all these number of codes, so only it's a very low code, a simple function, a simple set of functions is more than enough for this. So this is what it is, this is how it goes. So if you are an aspiring app developer, please go and check it now and start completing start learning this and complete the certification as soon as possible. Okay, so this is what, if you have any queries about this, okay, so the preparation, like you can watch these learning paths and the thing. So taking the time to earn PL-100 exam can significantly boost your skill and open up new opportunities in your career. Remember that the journey to certification is a learning experience in itself, and the skills you acquire along the way are just as valuable as the certification is. So, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video useful and helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Combs Tech Talks channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or need further clarifications on any of the topics we covered today, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy learning and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.